The CELLGUARD wired battery monitoring system delivers economical, yet highly accurate and reliable remote health analysis of stationary batteries and applications with high electromagnetic noise. Battery system operators are provided with continuous 24/7 monitoring of key battery performance indicators to help enable proactive maintenance, ensure battery performance, and deliver uninterrupted power when it matters most. The system analyzes data trends related to battery state of health, which simplifies the detection of potential issues for operators to optimize battery usage. With Unite, users can remotely drill down their network of battery plants, strings, and individual batteries. Unite gives access to valuable performance insight data, enables cost-saving, condition-based maintenance planning, and simplifies compliance reporting.